Today I want to talk to you guys about planting seeds. And I know that sounds pretty traditional 2024 brand new year, new me type of thing, but I guarantee you're going to get a lot out of this video, so stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Sam Becker and thank you so much for being here. It is truly an honor to make your acquaintance. If this is the first time that we're meeting, please consider subscribing to this channel where we talk all about how to overcome fear and anxiety and build your mindset, build clarity, build understanding, to build all the unstoppable confidence in the world so you can do whatever you want in the world. Let's talk about planting seeds and what that looks like, right? A lot of people tell us that we're supposed to plant seeds for our future. We're supposed to plant seeds for our future. But do you ever really stop to think about what seeds you're actually planting, right? And let me just kind of, elaborate a little bit more on that. What I mean is, do you ever think to yourself as you're doing certain actions, saying, in your mind or aloud, I'm planting the seed for a better tomorrow, for a better future? Because I don't think that. I don't say that out loud. I look back on the seeds that I planted and realize, oh, that was a seed that was planted, right? Let me give you an example, right? After all of this time going through therapy, after all of this time going through different, online courses and reading all these books, I had no idea that what I was actually doing was, yes, I was bettering myself and equipping myself better for life and all that fun stuff, right? For me personally. But what I was actually doing was planting seeds for, what was to come years later. Right? I started my real work with therapy, it must have been 5-6 years now or something like that. But I started reading, a lot of stuff with business, started reading a lot of stuff with self-help and all of that, right? So I equipped myself mentally to be able to help myself, to better myself and better support my family and help my friends and just all that stuff. But then it just gradually became something where I can make a living off of this. I can make a living helping people because I was able to help myself in a way that allowed me to virtually flip my entire life around within a single year. Right, where I used to have this massive anxiety where I couldn't do anything. I didn't believe in myself worth a squat. And now I'm doing all kinds of things that I never thought that I would ever do, including like jump on a YouTube channel and talk to you guys, right? Like this. This is weird. This is new, right? This would have been so strange to do when I had anxiety, right? And right now, what I want to talk to you about is the fact that you may not realize how many seeds that you're planting in your life. You may not realize what you're doing and why you're doing it, but you just know that you're doing it, right? Maybe you're reading a book that someone told you was a great book. Okay, I'm reading it. Okay, I'm turning the pages. Okay, this is not too great. And now it's getting juicy, right? Who knows? But later on, after you're done reading that book, maybe you're looking back thinking, I learned a lot of new words out of that book. Maybe this book made you want to become a writer yourself. Maybe this book is going to help inspire you to teach a class on this book. Let's just pretend it's like a biography or something, and you read someone's life story, and you're like, hey, that inspired me, right? You never know. That's a seed planted. Whatever book that you're reading, seed planted. Whatever course that you're taking, seed planted. Every single therapy session, seed planted. You kind of get where I'm going with this. I didn't realize, again, how many seeds I was planting as we just freshly began 2024. I'm looking back in all the things that I was able to do in 2023, all the things that I learned, all the things that I've applied, all the mess ups, all the screw ups, all the everything in between, all of it, all the anxiety, all the stress, all the this, all of that. Those were all learning experiences for one, yes, but they also help plant the seeds for a more fruitful 2024. Hey guys, real quick, if you're enjoying this content, then I know that you're going to enjoy my free Fear and Anxiety into Unstoppable Confidence crash course. And I got that linked right in the description, ready to rock for you, so please feel free to click the link below and check it out. All right, back to the content. Your life is exactly like that, especially when you think of it like this, right? I was at church this past weekend, and the pastor was talking about planting seeds and all that stuff too, which inspired me to want to have this conversation with you, right? But what he said was, I think it was New Year's Eve actually when I was there. So he was saying New Year's Eve is the perfect place to be to look back at all the things behind you, but be able to still stand there and look at all the things that are going to be in front of you, right? And for me, I took that like, wow, that was a big moment. That was a big aha for me, because as you reflect on the year, you think about all the things that you did or wish you could have done or can't wait to improve, or whatever it is, maybe for you, whatever your reflections are telling you, right? Those are all the things that you're planting into growth for the things that are happening in front of you. It's the perfect middle, right? And I know it's just a calendar year, and the world doesn't really know, blah, blah, blah. Whatever your belief is, I'm not going to go into the whole science stuff of it all. But my point is that on a calendar, right, it looks like that's the perfect place to be, perfectly in the middle between the past and the present. So I thought that was really interesting, the way he put that, the way that he positioned that thought process, that perspective. I thought it was brilliant, and it made me really think about how many things I've done this year, and I want you to think about all the things that you've done. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. What things have you done in the past, this past year, that you know were planting seeds? Now that you're watching this, now you know these are things that you planted for a more fruitful 2024. And I want you to leave that comment down below, because when you start putting that into writing, you see it and you remember it. And when you remember it, chances are that you're going to do it and live up to it, because you can recall writing it out. So after you're done typing it in the comments, I want you to write it down on a piece of paper, on a sticky note, on your phone, on a calendar, whatever it is. And I want you to check back in with yourself, making sure that your actions and your thought processes are all in alignment with what you're trying to do in life. Because chances are this reflection session that you did, thinking about all of 2023, all the things that you wish you didn't do or did better or improved on or looking forward to bringing into 2024, chances are that's the real you. And it's really hard to find the real you unless you're having those reflection sessions. And I teach all of this in my community called Do Awesome University. I want you guys to check out the link down below in the description. It's there for you. It is extremely affordable for those that want to build a more confident lifestyle, so you can get rid of your limiting beliefs, your self-doubt, your procrastination, your motivation issues, right? Your fear and anxiety, all that. Just have unstoppable confidence so you can do whatever you want to do. So looking forward to seeing you guys there. Thank you so much for being here as well. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys real soon.